Hello guys, in today's video we are talking about ICT fair value gaps and the theories associated with this concept. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. There are so many definitions of a fair value gap, but according to ICT, a fair value gap is a price delivered in the market where one side of the market is delivered, neglecting the opposing side. As you can see on the diagram to the right, from this range to that range is a fair value gap, and from this range to that is a fair value gap. In simple terms, a fair value gap is a pocket of price delivery on one side of the market. So as you can see on the diagram, if we are to get three candles and those three candles are moving in a certain direction, let's say they are moving in upward direction like it is shown on the diagram. So a fair value gap would lie between that point and that point, where there is no back and forth movement and there is no other candle in between, one-sided delivery of the market. Okay guys, let us do a simple exercise. So I want you to pause the video and tell me where a fair value gap is. Did you pause the video? I know some of you didn't. Okay, a fair value gap is between point A and point B. As you can see, there's no up and down movements of the market. It's just a clear upwards movement. Now that you know what a fair value gap is, what could be the importance of a fair value gap, and why should we be looking for it in the graph, in the charts? It's simple. A fair value gap is a form of inefficiencies, and the price has a tendency of revisiting these inefficiencies and correcting them. Theories of fair value gaps. There are so many theories formulated. However, this presentation will focus on ICT fair value gaps. So, ICT often says the price is not random. One of the factors that makes a price to move are inefficiencies. According to ICT, a fair value gap is a form of inefficiency in price delivery. Therefore, the algorithm has a tendency of correcting inefficiency left in the price delivered. Hence, the price in most cases will revisit these inefficiencies for the purpose of correcting or refilling them. Here's an example of a value gap being revisited by the price. So as you can see, I shaded the fair value gap and extended in time. So as you can see, the price revisited, filled it, then rallied it downwards. Here's what I'm talking about. Here's a chart revisiting its inefficiencies in form of a fair value gap. Look at the bodies of the candles. You can see, right, how that is precise. The chart is not random. Here's another example of the price revisiting its inefficiencies, the fair value gaps. See here, look at the candles and the wicks. Look at the bodies of the candles and the wicks inside the shaded area of the fair value gap. See how that is precise. So this is not random. The price is just trying to correct its fair value gap. Alright guys, that's enough for today, and in the next video I'm going to explain the strategies associated with fair value gaps, and how you can use them when trading. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up and just make sure to subscribe to the channel. That will give me motivation to make new videos, and yeah, that's all. Until next time.